So another unboxing. I buy it for my comfort, new chair, because until this moment I sit on that kind of crap. Yeah, I get it from my friend for free, so I'm glad that I have it something on sit on, but I decided that finally I deserve to something proper for myself and for my back. And yeah, we will see. Okay. Will be a lot of trash to throw out. Nice. Ooh, quite heavy. I think this is for my back. Oh, yeah. So for now I take pause. Now I'm searching for wheels. I think somewhere here maybe. Here are the wheels. Screws. Wheels. I didn't see it in the instruction. Okay.